How you cool, cats and kittens? How you cool, cats and kittens? Sorry, of course, hello, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. Of course, it's crazy. If you still haven't seen this movie, it's Netflix, it's amazing. It's named Tiger King. It's crazy show, but I have shocked how it's now this time, really, 2020 happened in the world. It's just crazy. If you haven't seen, really, you should see this show. It's amazing. I don't want to speak so much about the show, and I want to show you this something cool. It's first my Boxycharm. Guys, I know already April, but it's March box. I already opened. Just want to show you if you still know this brand. I just first time try. I'm really fell in love and highly recommend for you guys. You can see this box cute. Open like this, and we here have 5 things I will show you now. And we start with it's makeup melt away cleansing balm. It's amazing. I already tried. It's so cool, so soft. Nice scoop have here. You can really scoop and apply on your face. It's like moist, it's like oil. It's incredible. I don't read what ingredients here, but I think it's amazing. And what I like, this cherry just for Boxycharm. It's limited edition. It's so cool and costs I think like $34. Crazy price. All box cost $25. Amazing. And guys, second one, this Battington lashes. It looks like this Battington, but you can see. And you can see these lashes. It's not my style, but it's so cute. Maybe I present someone. And guys, another things, it's iconic lip plumping gloss. It's cute, nice. I like this gloss. It's beautiful, nice. It's like pinky. Looks like this. It's beautiful, nice. When applying your lips, it's feel like a little tingle in like mint. It's not bad, really, guys. All box cost 25. Amazing. These crazy things, guys. It's Murray. It's amazing. I will put here box, guys. Murray. It's amazing. It's Murray Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer Eye Cream. Amazing. So fast, like really so cool. Already tried. I love so much. I like this box. It's how many milliliters? I don't check before. I think 15 milliliters. I don't know. Should be on the box. Should be small. Yes, 15 milliliters. It's very thick formula. I like it. So cool. You can see like this. It's very moist. So cool. I really can apply here, guys. You can see how it's really, oops, everything fall. This cream everywhere, but guys, I have a lot of cream on my hand. It's crazy nice. It's so soft. It's beautiful formula. I like, really recommend. So nice. I don't know how it's really nice for wrinkles, but moist, I feel like, but it's very like thick formula. It's nice. Again, last one, it's Boxycharm, like this eye palette. It's beautiful eye palette. I will show you now swatch. Okay guys, and come back. You can see this palette like this. It's beautiful palette. It's nice pigment, everything beautiful. These 3 colors, it's just amazing. I love. But this one, guys, you know, it's so like chunky. You can like take. You can see it's like sugar in finger. You can see it's like 6 pieces like sugar. It's like for like wet sugar, you know, like scrub lash. If you know lash lip scrub, crazy. Okay, and I'll show you these 3 my favorite colors. It's such a beautiful colors. This green, this like blue, violet, this like bronzy. You see, like it's beautiful color, and this one like beautiful too, amazing. And this like bronzy. It's very nice pigmentation. I like this so much. This one, I don't know, like sugar. Guys, and this one costs $39. Okay guys, it's a very fast review, but really I like this. Everything costs $25, and together if you buy separate, $197. It's very nice deal and highly recommend. Okay guys, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you still need to subscribe, and go to watching this movie, really, Cat and Kitten. It's crazy. Have a good day. Bye.